Hello my loves, welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. Na leo nawaletea ingine mwecheche. Ni mwecheche ama ni mwesheshe? Wakikuyu tunasema ni mwesheshe. Anyway guys, today we are making this carrot cake and we have the ingredients that we're gonna be using. We have cooking oil, all-purpose, wheat flour, carrots, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and our 2 eggs guys. So stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be making my carrot cake. And ingredients zenye zote nimetumia, the measurement ziko kwa description down below, so utaangalia before you start your recipe guys. First thing first, tutaanza kumix our wet ingredients before we go in with our dry ingredients. In this case guys, tukaanza na mayai yetu mbili ndio hiyo, and then we are going to mix it well before we go in with cooking oil. So guys, hii recipe ni rahisi, you just follow the steps and your cake will be the best guys. So after that tukaongeza our cooking oil, and then we are going to mix until well combined. And don't forget to subscribe, watch and share my videos. Aki and then subscribe so that you get to see more of these videos. And after that guys, we are going to go in with our sugar. Again, we mix until well combined. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys, sio lazima uanze na mayai, unaweza anza na sukari ama unaweza anza na cooking oil. The choice is yours. Mimi nilidecide tu kuanza na mayai, you get it. And after that guys, we will go in with our carrots because we are making carrot cake. And again, pia unaweza tumia vanilla essence, unaweza decide kutotumia, it is optional. So in my case si kutumia, and then nika combine my carrots mpaka nazo zikuwe fully combine again. That word nitaitumia nayo mpaka nimalize hii kupika hii keki yangu. So after that nika sieve my flour because I want my cake to be fluffy, softer and light. That's the reason as to why I'm sieving my wheat flour. So guys, pia tutaongeza our dry ingredients zenye tuko nazo tumebakisha, na tutaongeza baking powder na baking soda, and then tutamix until it is smooth. Evo tu guys, just as simple as that. Ebu go try this recipe and let me know in the comment section, cause nayo it is one of the best and you have the affordable ingredients zenye uko nazo kwa nyumba, so you don't need to go to the market to buy anything guys, na utakuwa umetengeneza dessert. Is it a dessert ama utakuwa umetengeneza breakfast, you know, unaweza ikula kama snack, dessert. Yeah, na kama hiyo video itakuwa imekusaidia guys, go like the video, go share the video and go comment down below. Anyway guys, tukamix until iyo unga yote ya white ikaisha hapo. Ili take like 10 minutes, and within 10 minutes tukakuwa tumemaliza, and voila, you can see my cake iko smooth and it is ready kwenda ndani ya oven. Si hata nyinyi umeona ni kitu rahisi, si ati kushinda mmekimbia kubuy cake, and you can make it in your own home. And now that it is ready, the next thing we are going to do, tuta apply oil kwa container yenye tutakuwa tunapika keki nayo. As you can see, hiyo inasaidia ndio keki yako isi-stick kwa container. And then after that tutamwagilia all-purpose wheat flour again. Pia inasaidia ndio keki yako isi-stick ndani ya container. That is kama hauna parchment paper kama mimi, that's how you are going to do. And on to the next thing guys, after tumefanya hivyo, we will go in with your butter and make sure preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys ni kama unapika keki kubwa, uta adjust the measurement of your ingredients. Yeah, and after that guys, tutaweka our butter inside our container, and then tutaiweka kwa oven, just that. and make sure ujabakisha hata kidogo. Si unaona mimi venye naitoa yote? Yeah, you don't want to leave anything hapo ndani. So guys, hope you've enjoyed this video, and again, go try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. And we are going to bake for 30 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and yeah, by that time itakuwa imeiva. Again, thank you so much for the support guys. I honestly don't take it for granted. Nyinyi ni wasee wa nguvu, and mzidi kunisupport, msubscribe, mwatch, mshare. Na pia mnaweza niambia chenye mnataka niwapikie next. I will be there for you. Anyway, that's it for today. Ndio hiyo keki yangu ili slap. I loved it. Na ndio hiyo nimekatakata na nikawaonyesha. And hope you've enjoyed this video. Go once again, subscribe, watch and share. And we see you in the next one. I love you guys. Bye.